whānau actually came from the iwi as a way of countering whānau violence. Whānau has a whole different dynamic from families, although families are part of whānau. And so that's how E Tū Whānau came about. And it was about focusing on what are the positive things that whānau do to ensure that we care for our tamariki and our whaia mothers and those of the most vulnerable within our whānau. We already do some really great things that come through our tikana, through whakapapa, and many whānau practice that today. So that was the basis of E Tū Whānau, that those whānau actually have to be recognised for what they do within their whānau hapu and iwi to counter violence.